And we're back. Pack the Ripper here with another break. After a little bit of a hiatus, I've been having a little trouble getting hobby boxes in from my LCS because they're just too much money, I think. And I haven't really been ripping anything lately. But I did get my hands on a jumbo box of 2020 Update and a hobby box of 2020 Update. So we're going to rip these two boxes today and see what we get. I think we'll start with the jumbo box. So let's see what we can get. And there's our 3 box loaders. You get the 2 silver packs and then the 1 exclusive baseball patch, which is like a card that looks like you can iron it onto the sleeve of your jacket. So we'll save these 3 packs for last. So here is our first jumbo pack. There's, I believe there's 10 jumbo packs per box, and each pack has 46 cards. So here's our first jumbo pack. Nice Acuna card. I'm probably not going to flip the base so you can see it. It's, you know, it's just update base. If anything catches my eye, I'll mention it. There's a Bo Bichette. Jacob deGrom. This is a Touki Toussaint. I think it's out of 99. Yep, 12 of 99. It's got the old Topps logo on it. And then we got a Trace Thompson Rainbow Prism. And Winfield, Freddie Freeman, and a Brady Singer #1 prospect card. Second jumbo. So we're looking for 2, 1 relic and, excuse me, 2 relics and 1 autograph per jumbo box. There's a Mike Trout, active leader. It's slugging percentage, another Mike Trout, All-Star Game card. Bellinger, Pedro Martinez. I think Topps really struggled to figure out what to put in this update set. There's another Trout, active leaders. So 3 Trouts in 1 pack, not bad. Verlander. Cole Calhoun. Here's our first relic. It is a Derek Jeter. Not serial numbered or anything. Pretty nice card though. It's got a patch. Pretty good. Gold Rainbow Jonathan VR. Pete Alonso 85 Topps captain card. And Joe Adell top prospect. Next pack. Not much worth looking at here. I think I'm going to skip to the base cards pretty quickly. Alright, so that's all the base. Now we got an upside down card. This might be a short print. Let's see. Yep, this is a Giancarlo Stanton short print. That's pretty good. Looks to be in good shape. And then we got a Rainbow Zach Green rookie. Thurman Munson, Pedro Martinez, and Nolan Jones, #1 Indians prospect. Next pack. We'll just skip all the base. It's pretty good. They put the short prints upside down. So this is I think this is a black out of 60. Yeah, black Cal Ripken out of 69. Not bad. Then we have a Rainbow Kenley Jansen, a 85 Mookie Betts, Red Sox World Series card, and Nate Pearson. Next pack. All the base cards. Gold Rainbow Alex Wood, Willie Mays, 85, and Mount Castle. Next pack. Bunch of base. Another Trout. This looks like a gold card out of 2020. And it's Albert Pujols, pretty good. We've got a Brendan McKay, Gold Rainbow, Frank Robinson, Randy Johnson, and Mackenzie Gore. All this base. Here is a autograph card of Brian Reynolds, a black one. So this is numbered out of 199, pretty good. Cano, Rainbow, Javi Baez, Jeff Bagwell, and Nick Allen. All right, we got a bunch of base. JT Riddle, Starling Marte, Cone, and Ethan Small. Second to last pack. I think we should still have one more relic in one of these last two packs. So here's all the base. We've got an upside down card. It looks like it's a gold card. Yep. Trent Grisham, rookie. That's pretty good. That's a good card. Gold Rainbow, Anthony Alford, Donaldson 85, Chipper Jones, and Dylan Carlson. And last pack, I think it should have a relic in it. I think, maybe not. There's all the base. Yep, there's the last relic. And it's a fan favorite Bartolo Colon. Not serial numbered. And we have a Sean Murphy rookie Gold Rainbow, Mike Schmidt, Cal Ripken, and Brennan Davis. So not a bad box overall. And now we'll go for the hobby box. Should be one silver pack on top. We'll open that last with the other ones. So here we go with the hobby box. There's 24 packs in the hobby box with 14 cards per pack. Base. Taylor Ward. Rainbow. And more base. So I don't know if we're gonna get one or two inserts per pack on this or what. Guess we'll find out. All this base. We've got a gold card, Scherzer, and more base. We've got base, base, base. There must be a short print in this pack because there was no insert as far as I can tell. What could possibly be the short print? I don't really have the eyes to look at the small numbers on the back right now. So I'll put this pack aside. Must be a short print in there somewhere. Unless you just don't get an insert in every pack. It's possible. All right, base. Silver Rainbow Chris Sale. And more base. We got a Mike Schmidt and base. And Awesome Meadows 85 tops and more base. Dwight Gooden 85 tops. More base. Acuna. Decade's Best Clemente. And base. This one feels a little thicker. Maybe we got a relic in this one. What? Bartolo Colon again. How about that? Our second one. Hopefully I'll be able to trade these or sell these to a Bartolo Colon fan. Here's base upside down. This is a gold. Yosemiro Petit. Nothing in this pack. Unless this Jesus Lizard is a short print or something maybe, or Kyle Lewis. That could be a short print too, I don't know. I'm gonna have to check that pack later. Moncada 85 in base. Nothing in that pack worth mentioning. More base in this pack, except the Cal Ripken 80s Decade's Best. Alec Baum. This one, I wonder why this is backwards. No reason. Wander Franco, #1 prospect. Base. Decade's Best. And base. Tetsugo. More base. Almost done the box here. Alex Krylov, #1 prospect. I'm sure there must be some short print cards I've just missed that I have to find when I go through these later. Dalton Varsho. So we've got 4 packs left. Jackie Robinson, that's pretty cool. That's a nice picture. Huh. Three packs left. Derek Jeter captain card. Two packs. Freddie McGriff. Crime Dog. And this is our last hobby pack. Decade's Best David Cone. And now we're going to do our silver packs. So let's do the cloth card first, the patch. See if we get anybody good out of this one. And we've got Paul Goldschmidt. So that's a pretty nice looking card. Kind of cool. And for our silver packs, we got Shohei, Contreras, Demerit, and Mo. Yoshi Totsugo, Garrett Cole, Walker Buehler, Willie Castro, and our last silver pack, Benintendi, Grisham rookie, Castellanos, and Yordan Alvarez rookie. So that is it for the Jumbo and Hobby box. Tune in soon. I'm going to have a 15 card PSA order come back, so we'll do a live reveal of that. And I also have a COMC order of about 200 and some odd cards that are coming back, so we'll do a live overview of that as well. So good luck, keep hobbying. Thanks, bye.